Okay, we're going to change our cabin air filter. I do this about every 10,000 miles. Usually my filters are still pretty clean, but that's the way I like it. They're very inexpensive. This is an Ecogard XC35519. I'll put the link in the description. You can get whatever brand you would like off of Amazon or wherever you want to buy it. We're going to go ahead and just take our new one out. I'm going to just go ahead and open it. Okay, so on this car it's very simple. We already kind of cleaned all the stuff out of our glove compartment to make this easier. So just open your glove compartment, push in on these two plastic sides like this, in, and then they fall down like that. Let me kind of, okay. So when you look in here, you're gonna see this plastic cover. This is where our cabin air filter is. There's a tab right here we can push in, and there's a tab right here we push in. And so you can do that with two hands, easier. But I was able to do it with one, just one at a time. You pull it out, and there is your air filter right there. So what we have here, on here, is it says airflow down. It's got a down arrow, so that's important. So I'm going to take out our dirty air filter. I mean, it's not bad. Even on the directions it said to change every 15,000. I think I change them every 10, but I like the clean air. It's dirty, but as far as air filters go, it's clean. It's pretty clean. So what we're going to do is, on our new filter, when we put that in, we're going to look for some writing that says airflow down to match that airflow down. So we're going to put that in there just like that. So we get our airflow down arrow on our filter matching the airflow down arrow on our plastic. And then we just line it back up. Okay, so we just get it lined up there. And then we just kind of push it back. Kind of jiggle it, and then you should hear them snap. So I heard them snap, so it's all the way in. And then we just take our glove compartment again and push in on the two sides again to get it past that point. And now the soft close still works. And then we'll put things back in our glove compartment and we'll be done. So that's your cabin air filter change. It only takes a few minutes. Probably save you at least $40 from doing it somewhere else. Hope that's been helpful. And this job is done. So please remember to look in the video description for links and helpful tips. And so I hope this video has been helpful for you.